after this. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about pronouns after prepositions. Okay, so pronouns after prepositions, how they work. Well, let's listen to these creatures right here, see what they have to do, and then we'll talk about it. If they decide to work, I guess they don't.
Right now! I have some questions for you, so listen up. Pablo, a ti, ¿cuál te gusta?
Ni los rayos.
Answer the question, Pablo!
Okay, stripes it is.
Toño, Toña, a ustedes, ¿cuál les gustan más? ¿Las gorras rojas o...? A nosotros no nos gustan las gorras, no las llevamos. Answer the question! ¡Las rojas! ¡Nos gustan las rojas! Fabulous. Ahora tienen que venir conmigo. Right now!
So, it was real nice of Phoebe to buy us these presents, huh?
Yeah, Phoebe, 3 more, please. Pablo, where's the door? I need to go home.
So these creatures, what they were using a lot of prepositions. Okay, the prepositions in Spanish are similar than in English, but different at the same time. So let's discuss this. It says here, pronouns that follow prepositions are different from subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns such as yo, tú, él, ella, and usted, and object pronouns like me, te, se, nos. So they're different. So here's how. Use the pronouns after a preposition, like para, which is for. Okay, para, for is to someone. De, of, or for. No, it's mostly of. A is to or towards, and con is with. So these are all prepositions: for, of, to, and with. So you're gonna use this after, okay, after the preposition. So you use the pronouns para mí, for me. Conmigo, with me. Contigo, with you. De ti, of yours. Él will be para él, para ella, de él, de ella. So all of these, you're gonna use them, and they will refer, these prepositions will go first, and then you will have the pronouns after prepositions, which is this. These ones are similar to the subject pronouns. If you look at them, they're all the same, except in yo and you, in the yo form and in the to form. Notice that, okay? So, don't confuse them with me and te. Me and te, they receive an action, okay? These ones are referring to, they go with prepositions, okay? Can you close the door, please? So notice that these pronouns are the same as the subject pronouns in all forms, except me and yo, as it says right here, and ti for two. Here it says Clara lives from us, lives far from us. Clara vive lejos de nosotros. Tengo un regalo para ti, for you. So right here, nosotros, there is no different one. This is pretty much the same subject pronoun, right? But when you're referring to or yo, you have their own pronouns after prepositions, which will be me for yo and ti for two. Now we have verbs like gustar. Gustar is to like, okay? Now you're going to use pronouns after preposition, a preposition a, to add emphasis. A mi amigo no me gusta la ropa de cuadros. A mí no me gusta la ropa de cuadros. So saying, I really don't like plain clothes. A mí. So you're going to use a before to make emphasis before the pronouns after prepositions right here, as you can see it. The pronouns after can also clarify to whom a sentence refers. Le, it would be for he or she. Le gusta ir a la librería. A él gusta ir a la librería. He or she or you like to go to the bookstore. He likes to go to the bookstore. A él. So a goes before a subject pronoun right here. Now there's a combination too. Conmigo and contigo. Con means with. Con me, with me. And you add go to it. Conmigo is with me. Contigo is with you. Okay, so that's the only things that you guys gotta remember. Vas conmigo, are you going with me? Or voy contigo, or I go with you. All right, so with this information, what you guys have to do is complete these activities right here. It says para quién es. Tell whom these items are for. So, for example, you have el abrigo es para ella. Okay. Carolina, in other words, you have the name Marta. It's a girl, right? So it will be ella. So you will say first of all the item, and then you will put the preposition. Or Carolina, for example, here is el abrigo es para ella. La pulsera es para Carolina. Los cinturones son para mí, hermano y yo. So, in other words, here you're just going to use the preposition para. And it will always go before the subject pronoun, okay? Or the name. Here in activity 14, you just have to create a mini conversation asking a partner questions such as this. ¿A ti te gustan los conciertos? Do you like concerts? Using the verb gustar. And the other person can say, yes, I like them. Or you can say, no, I don't like them. Sí, a mí me encantan. No, a mí no me interesan mucho. Okay? So you're going to ask 9 questions, okay? With 9 answers. That's all. Okay? ¿A ti te gustan las clases difíciles? No, a mí no me gustan las clases difíciles. And then you go with each one. For each one of them, you ask a question and you answer, okay? So that's the activities for today. Remember, one thing to remember about this is that me and me are 2 different things. That's something that you guys gotta remember, okay? Me, even though it sounds like the same, it is different, okay? All right, guys. The computer, the internet is logging. It's creating a little problems again. So I'm gonna stop this recording right now. It allows me to do that before it kicks me out.